Good morning, everybody. Got two large shirts, been soaking in our soda ash for a little over 30 minutes now. Gonna twist them up, throw some color on them. We actually have two different things planned today. First one we're gonna do is gonna be with our colors that we're including in our new tie-dye kits. As you see here, it comes with everything you need. Just add water. We have a 6-color and a 3-color. Literally everything you need except for the garment you want to dye and what you want to soak it in.
And you can get a t-shirt at Walmart or Joann's.
You get a t-shirt at Joann's, Michael's. I wouldn't buy them at Walmart, but anywhere else you can get a t-shirt from.
And they should be less than $5 wherever you go.
Yep.
I mean, they're not expensive at all.
But we're going to show you what some of the possibilities of those colors are, and then we're going to do another one after that. So for this first one here, we're going to show you how to twist up a spiral. What's this one going to be?
So I usually just pinch in the middle, and the bigger the shirt, the more muscle you got to use when you twist. A lot of people even use hemostats or pliers, or I have some hemostats somewhere.
Get that really fine.
Yeah.
Center. Yeah. So this one's gonna be a spiral.
It is.
Cool, cool. Window spiral.
Try to tuck that tag in. Okay.
Band it on up. So we got a nice spiral, and we're going to be using lemon yellow, deep orange, sky blue, deep purple, green, custom green, and Chinese red are our possibilities for this one.
Okay. So, wait, which one? You want me to grab?
You got them right there. They're all in the basket.
You want me to grab them?
The basket. Yeah. To the dyeing rack. Got our basket of color.
Do you want me to use all of them?
You don't have to use all of them if you don't want to. Just whatever you want to use out of that. Those are your options. We just want to show you all what you can do with them.
I'll use all of them. That
Okay.
way they can have an example of what each color will look like.
Sounds good. There's definitely enough to dye, at least in the 6-color one, there's enough to dye, I'd say 4 to 6 shirts. In the 3-color, there's definitely enough to dye anywhere from 2 to 4 shirts, depending on what patterns you pick. And what size the shirt is, obviously. But you could probably do 2 larges for sure. I mean, I know you can do 2 larges. You might even be able to do 4, depending on what you choose to do.
Right.
So we
and
got-
the size of the shirt is also going to. I mean, 3 smalls is probably 1 large.
1 large, right?
You
So you
know,
can do
or
a
1
whole lot of
extra large.
smalls, right? Yeah.
Or if you're doing onesies.
When we're giving you these sizes, we're talking about normally medium or large shirts. So we have Chinese red, right?
Right.
Deep
and
orange.
Deep orange.
Now we have
This is our lemon yellow.
lemon yellow.
You always want to mix those colors where they meet.
So you can get the gradient going on, which is like the transition of the colors. Instead of it just being a harsh line, you get a nice transition in between the two. Looking good. It's kind of like candy corn.
It does look like that. I want to do some fall themed shirts soon. Like do some, like of this color pattern.
Yeah.
Maybe get a brown.
That would be cool. Our custom green. We call it custom green because it's 1 part lemon yellow, 1 part sky blue, but it makes a really nice, almost Kelly green.
That's what we call it.
Yeah, it's probably not exactly Kelly green, but we'll call it custom green because that's what it is. Makes a good green.
It does. A good dark.
Yep.
Stereotypical. When you say green, people think of this green.
People think of that, yeah. Sky blue.
Yes, this is blue.
We love the sky blue.
Which is surprisingly dark for a sky blue.
Yeah, this is a
You
very
think
dark
it would
sky.
Be a lot lighter. Because when I think of sky blue, I think of very light blue.
Pastel, light,
Yeah.
baby blue almost, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Not even close to what that looks like. But we knew that when we bought it. So.
Yeah, we're
And-
just telling y'all what the names are.
Yep. And then deep purple.
That's what this is.
Yep.
Deep purple.
Deep purple.
Sounds like a 70s rock band.
It is a very deep purple. It's part navy blue, part Chinese red, I believe, or fire red. No, part Chinese red, which makes it a very, very deep purple. But it looks really good. It's also very stereotypical purple.
Yes. Yeah, then I see a spot I missed. There we go. Okay. Did we get the outside edges?
Yeah, it looks
like
pretty good actually. Time for the flop.
I think so.
Ready for the flop. And you see like that the green one over there, it didn't even have, it had less than like a third of it, I would say. And you see how much is still left. So doesn't take a whole lot, people. Does not take a lot.
Really doesn't. And you can use your colors on the outside edges as a guide
Yep.
to where to put them on the back side.
Yep. There's some more Chinese red.
Or Chinese red.
And we're gonna make a proper tutorial videos to go with these two. But this is just for now, in case anybody gets them, they can watch these.
Some deep orange. And some lemon yellow.
Lemon yellow.
Lemon.
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 That shirt's a lemon.
Mine she is a lemon. Lemonade, diamond bracelet, put it in a chain.
That song's so old, dude. It was like, what, 2008, 2010?
Before I was supposed to be listening to rap music. I was like,
Really? I was like a grown
yeah,
adult when that
bro.
came out.
Yeah, bro. It's like in middle school.
Oh, man. Yeah, I remember that. Ooh, sky blue. And we put our custom green on there too.
We did.
And then she's gonna finish it off with the final color. Good old deep purple. Better be careful, that was too close. Some deep purple. A little bit of Chinese red to finish it on off. That looks really good, actually. Really, really good. We about ready for the drying rack?
Yeah.
I got your carrying tub over here. to the drying rack.
Oh wait, I missed the spot.
Oh wait, hold on, not quite. Okay. Now, we're getting there, people. Okay, to the drying rack. We can quit OCD. I'm just kidding. She
Okay,
always
well,
wants them to be
we don't
perfect.
have-
Oh no. As I say, just rack it up there. Boop. Where it will sit for the next 24 hours till we're ready to wash it on out. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.